So here's another question from our viewer who's saying for those with a work permit expiring in June 2026 and an employer willing to provide an LMIA, what office job titles or roles with a PR pathway are recommended?
There are a few different things that I look at when deciding what exact knock code to put on the LMIA or to put on the work permit. One thing that I would look at is the CRS category based selection, and I would look at what job titles are being selected there. If you can fit under one of those, that could really help bring down the CRS score that you need to be selected for express entry. Another thing that I would do is, depending on the province that you are living in currently, I would go and check the province's website to see which occupations are being selected under the high demand provincial nomination scheme, and I would see if your knock code can fit under one of the occupations that the province is nominating for immigration purposes. And the last thing that I would look at is if your employer is in a rural community, if they are in a community which qualifies for the rural community immigration pilot. If that community does qualify for the RCIP program, each community has their own list of high demand occupations. So I would check your community to see which occupations are in high demand and whether your knock code can fit under one of those occupations.
All right. Thank you so much, Ramina, for such an insightful answer.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, docket-wise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI Support.